Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shawn here, Muscle Car Central, with a fresh Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about everybody's favorite part of the car, the back seat. In the first gen Camaro world, 67, 68, and 69, there are 3 rear seats available. You've got your standard full-size coupe, you've got your convertible, and then you have a fold-down back seat. Those are the 3 options for first gen Camaros. What we have here today on display is an original GM 1969 hardtop black back seat. For Camaro Central, Firebird Central, we measure the back seat from this top edge to the other top edge. In the aftermarket world, in manufacturer's data and on forums, you're going to see a lot of different measurements. We go from this corner to the other corner. For the hardtop regular coupe, that measures just under 50 inches. For the 67, 68, 69 convertible, it measures 46 inches. For the fold-down back seat, 46 inches. So we want you to make sure that you get that measurement right so we can get you the right components, get you the right covers, and all the components to make your restoration a piece of cake. We got the back seat burlap padding kit here. We got the foam replacement, and we got some hog rings and some pliers. Lots of options on seat restoration here. A lot of times we'll have used original framework, and then also we do have new reproduction framework. If you are lucky enough to have the fold down seat option, this is some of the components you might have in your car here. These are the weld-in floor brackets. These are the 67 upper latch locking brackets. 1968 and 69, GM switched to an actual lever release mechanism that went up on the passenger side top. Those are just some of the components that we do have available. And if you're not sure, don't hesitate to give us a call. One seat that I forgot to mention for you guys is the 67 Deluxe Interior. That's the one that has the little stripe bead in there. If you're lucky enough to have the 67 Camaro with the Deluxe Interior option, you will have a short seat, even in a hardtop. Now, let's talk Firebird first gen, 67, 68, 69. Firebird never had the big back seat. All Firebirds had a short 46-inch back seat. Could be a fold down, could be a convertible, could be a hardtop. They were all 46 inches in the Firebird world. And again, we have all these components and plenty more on the website. Don't hesitate to check it out. If you want to add those covers to your car that wasn't a factory deluxe car, we can have a full-size 50-inch seat cover special made for you with the 67 pattern in it. No problem. It is listed on our website with the drop down. So here you go, guys. Across the top, we're over on the left, we're over on the right, and as you can see, we're just right at 50 inches. This is a 69 Camaro hardtop coupe. Now, how about let's go check out a convertible and see what it looks like. Here it is, 69 Camaro convertible. Across the top, and there she is, measuring just at 46 inches. So we showed the coupe over at the shop. You've got the convertible here, and if you do have a short seat, whether it be convertible or fold down or the 67 Deluxe, you will have these side fillers. The convertible will have the well opening for the top framework to jump down in, and you'll have the side ashtrays. 1967, 68, 69, got to have plenty of ashtrays in your car. This particular convertible is also pretty rare. It's one of the like 600 that had the optional shoulder seat belts. So it is kind of pretty odd. It's also an LM1 if you want to get real crazy. All right, guys, that's a quick, easy way to check and see what kind of seat you have in your particular car. Like we said earlier, a lot of them have been changed and messed with over the years, so measure twice, cut once, make sure that you have all the right components. Don't forget to check us out at Camaro Central, Firebird Central, MuscleCarCentral.com. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see on the next Tech Tuesday.